Hey kids, welcome to the first grade math quiz. Have fun and enjoy.
Hooray!
Choose the correct answer. The answer is 8. Choose the correct answer. The answer is 4. Choose the correct answer. The answer is 2. Choose the correct answer. The answer is 5. Choose the correct answer. The answer is 7. Choose the correct answer. The answer is 1. Choose the correct answer. The answer is 6. Choose the correct answer. The answer is 10. Choose the correct answer. The answer is 9. Choose the correct answer. The answer is 3. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and don't forget to watch our other videos.